Boom! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name's Clint, and today we're talking, well, the smallest of bags, which is pouches. That's right. We're talking about EDC pouches. Wanted to share with you 6 of my favorite EDC pouches, culminating in number 1, which is my favorite EDC pouch that I have right now. I really enjoy carrying. All right. These are not loaded out except for number 1, which is loaded out with my EDC. All right, so starting off, we've got blank canvas from Puerto Rico. We'll open this up and you can see this is purple hex cam, which is a pretty rare X-Pack material to see used on bags. Inside, we've got the reverse of the purple hex cam along with this lime green, okay? You can see the Puerto Rican flag here and the BCA, Blank Canvas Accessories, Puerto Rico. And then you can see we've got just lots of space here. We've got a slip-in and a pen slot and a multi-tool slot or wallet slot, multi-tool, and large notebook or phone slip-in. You know, this is a fairly large pouch here. That's a regular size, not a plus-sized iPhone. Fits in just fine, and you can see kind of knife slots, no problem. And little kind of wallet slot. This one doesn't fit, but I believe my hitchhikers do fit. Yeah, so a little wallet slot. But this company, Blank Canvas, makes multiple different sizes of this pouch, and you get to customize it with the materials that you enjoy. So that's why this one takes one of the top spots for me. We'll start this one off as number 6 on the list. A really nice pouch. Now, a slightly more svelte version of that pouch and similar size here, you can see, is from Alpaca. And we'll open this up. You can see on the outside we do have a zippered pocket with hook and loop, as opposed to this one had a slip pocket with hook and loop and a zippered on the back. So this one zipper and slip, this one zipper and nothing. All right, we'll open it up. We've got a slip pocket in here and then 2 pin-sized or AA flashlight size pin light. Yeah. And then on this side, you've got kind of a multi-tool sized pouch and then some elastic stretchy bands here and then a slip and a larger slip. So lots of space in here and lots of volume in here as well. So, you know, I do find this one to be really nice to carry in a bag. A little tight. There we go. Yeah, it's a good pouch. As with all things Alpaca, it's well made. And it's very modern. Not as much color variety. You can't customize the interior on this one, but a good EDC pouch. Both of these are pretty big honkers. We'll go something a little smaller next. This is from Garage Built Gear out of Tennessee. On the front, you've got a little slip. This is the Mighty pouch, by the way, from Garage Built Gear. You can see it's got a zip around. It's a little smaller than the last ones we looked at. In addition to the slip pocket, on the outside, you have a little coin pocket. And then the whole thing unzips. And inside, you've got a slip pocket here. And then elastic. You can put in pins, you can put in little EDC stuff, and I found $1. Holy cow. How about that? I found $1. I'm gonna go buy a soda pop. All right. Boop, boop, boop. So you got 3 boops over here, 1 big boop, and then over here you've got the elastic and the large slip in. You know, very customizable in terms of what you carry in here. A little bit harder to get your hands on this pouch. Sells out very fast, and the unique colorways sell out even faster. So 1, 2, 3, we're on to number 4. Number 4, we're going to Malaysia. Green Room 136 has brought back the tuna tin. That's right. So we have here the atomic orange version of the tuna tin with the hook and loop exterior. Heh, I'm in danger. And then you've got the ultra stretch on the back, and then inside you've got card slots and an elastic band. And then over here, similar layout to the Mighty pouch, you've got the 2 elastic bands over here. It does very easily fit a typical sized EDC pocket knife. And then you get the slip back here. So a very, very fun little pouch to carry. This is my one that I typically carry here, Multicam Black. They come with these neat zipper pulls. I repurposed the one off of this one, but you can see them on the site. Card slots, stretchy, and stretchy. Yeah, really nice stuff out of Green Room 136 as usual. Next up, we're going to Alpaca Land. That's right, second alpaca pouch. Now, this one it blurs the line of what you would call an EDC pouch, but I really actually love carrying this little pouch. It's got a slip in here that is kind of flashlight sized. So, you know, toss a pin light on here, no problem. And then you've got a space here for a pen or a Sharpie. Then in here, oh, what's this? Colonel Ichabod's mustache comb. This, if you don't know, is actually the best mustache comb in the entire industry. No lie. Bright orange ripstop interior, a slip pocket on the back that actually works really well for slipping your phone in. And then on the inside here, you have 2 slip pockets for credit cards and a major kind of big section here. So this actually is the EDC pouch that I carry when I'm traveling. I don't need a space for a pocket knife or a multi-tool when I'm traveling. I bring my passport, my credit cards, a flashlight, and a Sharpie, and I can slip my phone in here. So this one's seen a lot of use and abuse over the years. I don't know if you can tell. It's got, yeah, it's been used like crazy. All right, now I bring you to number 1 on my list. It's the little no-name lovable pouch that I use quite a bit. This is it. This is a little EDC pocket organizer off Amazon. It's in waxed canvas. I really like how this feels. So what do we have going on here? Well, my flashlight doesn't quite fit because I think they stitched it wrong over here. So I guess I should start off by saying I don't think this is really a particularly well-made pouch, but it's cheap as chips, so you can get you one anyway. So I've got my flashlight in here. We'll slip it back in. I've got my filter from Kershaw in here. Slip it back in. I've got my Colonel Ichabod's mustache comb. Then I've got my hitchhiker's wallet in here. Just slip right in here and I can pull it out with the cord. And then on the back side, I've got my key. So I can just toss my key in here and pull it out because I still need a key to drive my stupid truck because it is not keyless. Then you've got this pouch. And I don't typically use this, but receipts, coins, etc. Sometimes I toss a polka pin into this pocket. Polka pin, my favorite pin. All right, there we go. All right, so this little beast, I don't know, it's not the best made on this table. Probably the Green Room one and the Alpaca one are the best made. And then, you know, this garage built gear, a little chunky for my taste, but really nicely made as well. You know, all of these are probably better made than this. But this is really nice to carry, really nice to carry. And if I were to slip a couple of things out of here, namely my key, then it does fit into my pocket, which is really nice. So it's really kind of a pocket organizer, but easy to toss this into a bag, right? Just slip it into the top pocket or toss it into the bottom of a bag. Great little tool. Love this. Links to all these products, of course, in the video description. Let me know. What do you think of this one? I like this. I like this wax canvas. I like the look. I like how it feels, and it's, you know, it's aging pretty well. It's not really taken any crazy amounts of abuse, but it fits what it fits, and it don't throw a fit. Is that what it is? Yeah. All right. So, everybody, thank you so much, as always, for the love and the support, and we will see you next time.